Okay, everyone, I think this is working, hopefully. Okay, so what I want you guys to do today is just to make one side of a page, basically, and be working with rulers and stuff. So if you open a new document, and let's just make it a US paper, and let's not worry about any of this right now, but make sure it's on CMYK because that's what we printed. So push OK. Okay, so what I would like you to do, because we had that one example where there's not really any grids, but at the same time we are still working with grids. I want you to start using rulers a little bit, but right up here we have these rulers. If you don't see it, let's see, rulers, what guides, okay. If you don't see it, you have to do Control R. I don't see where it's in here right now. Oh, rulers. Okay, so either way, there's rulers if you can't find it. So, because our examples had some lines and grids, just pull a few random ones. I mean, in reality, we would be a little more exact kind of with this. So go from here, click on the ruler, and just drag it out. Then you can still move them, just hover over it. Okay, so then I'd like to, for example, to add, some pictures. So I know you guys have it differently, so sorry about that. Let's see, so I'm going just to pull in, I just grabbed some random photos. Oops. Okay, and you guys will just have to be pulling it in differently because it's different on the school computers. Okay. So in any way that you can, just pull and drop your image into here. So Control T, I'm making it smaller. And so now fill in these places with your image, but stay true to these guides still. And if you want to make a few more at this point, you can. Okay, see how like I made this guide, but my picture's not fitting? Go to the rectangle tool. Make your rectangle. Put it underneath the image, and then Option hover. Put it in, so now it's in. You do Control T. I'm gonna make my photo bigger. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to fill in a few of the other gaps. Here, I want to make a few more rulers too. You need to be on the move tool in order to move your grid lines. Okay, I probably am just going to make more boxes now, kind of like where I would like my future photos to go. Yeah, so just play around with it. Just do your own, your own page layout. Okay, I think I'm going to make another. Let's see. I think I'm actually going to put it over here. Okay. I'm going to pull in 2 more photos. Just do it any way that you can do it. And I would like to put it right above the one I'm going to place it into. Here we go. And 1 more photo. Put it above the layer you're putting it into. Okay, here we go. Gonna move a little bit. Okay, and then I'd like you to add some type. So let's see. From this, here, I'm gonna move this a little bit. From this, we can still see that there is a little bit of structure. And we still, don't want it to go too crazy, but for example, I think I'm going to make my type line into this kind of little box. I don't want my box to hit this line though. So in essence, if we were to have this as a yearbook page, we would want this little gap right here to be standard throughout the yearbook. So I just threw it, but kind of eyeballed where I would not want my type to flow into. Same here. I wouldn't want to go to the bottom of the page, but I'd like to maybe put it above. And then here, you'd like to insert right now any kind of type that you'd like. I think, let's see if that did anything. Oh, if you can see why I can't see my type, it's right here. I've placed it also within this box, so I need to take it out. Deconnect the type. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if your version of Photoshop has this, but right here, paste lorem ipsum. It basically just types in nonsense and it's just filler so you can put something in. If not, just grab some type, whatever you need. Okay, so I want it to be left aligned. I'm probably just going to pick a really standard, like Garamond. It's really pretty. You can see it has all caps right now, so take that off or keep it standard. Okay. And yeah, I don't know why that my tracking is huge. Okay, there we go. So I'll do that. Maybe I would like to have like my title word kind of unique. So just pick anything that's kind of bold and maybe kind of pretty. We'll make it, let's say 30. See if I have. And again, just experiment with this part.